The ultimate vending machine heaven. 100 plus options for snacks and drinks in Japan. I'm doing this one. This one looks awesome. Vending machine extravaganza in Japan. Wait, what? It's kind of cute. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello. Many retro vending machines driving in a car again. Isn't this like giga illegal? Dude, I can just imagine driving my truck on these streets. I'd be having a panic attack. What the hell? Dude, it's like in an industrial yard and there's just a bajillion vending machines? Why is this here? What's the point? Those are kind of cool, the little retro ones. Several decades ago, but the owner here is maintaining them, so they're still in good condition. Wow. Used by the tire store next door. I think it's 5 months true. They're owned by the tire store next door? Yeah, the owner definitely cares. A toast sandwich. Excuse me? What the f*** is a toast sandwich? Ham and cheese and corned beef. Bread is currently being toasted. Let's sit on the bench and eat it. It's like watching a sim. $2.20? Ah, come on, dude. It can't be that hot. Wow, that actually looks fire. Dude, that looks so good. Let's see the inside. How much is in there? There's not even that much corned beef in there. It's kind of just bread. But looks good though. Honestly, the bread looks good enough that I'd probably just eat it as toast. It'd be cool. $0.70. Wait, is this a Mexican Coke? Dude, 70 cents for a Mexican Coke? I'd clear the whole place out. I'd literally sit there with a... That's kind of cool. That's fucking sick. Aw, dude, we're missing out, dude. Why did we not get the cool shit? Other countries get stuff from like us that look like, you know, like this looks like American culture stuff, you know, classic Coca-Cola in a glass bottle, and we don't get this at all. We just get cooked. Used tire shop owned by the owner manages all the vending machines. for you to use the restroom and coin exchange machine inside the tire shop. This is badass. Yo, little me, like kid me, would have been having a blast in here. This is the sickest used tire shop ever? Yeah, no shit. Wait. I forget what this game is technically called. Dude, you're gonna even attempt? You suck. Dude, you're supposed to... Are you dumb? Bro. My guy's never seen a... Oh, it's a pinball machine. He's not a gamer. He's, I guess. Maybe that stuff we take for granted as a gamer. Oh. Medium spicy curry rice. Takes 27 seconds. Wait, Random, are you in Japan right now? Is stuff like this real? Chat, is this real? What is this? Bro, ain't no way my guy just paid $1 for a piece of paper. The luckiest fortune. Wow. Yeah, you pay me $1. I'll tell you you're lucky. Just stop showing this Chinese garbage. Yeah, just tell everyone in the chat, 1, you're a moron, and 2, you had no idea what you're talking about, and 3, you can't either. Wow, way to go, idiot. You outed yourself, the entire group. Wait, is that sausage? What is that? It counts down. That's pretty cool. Wait, that's actually sick. Look, chat, it's Hanamura. Oh, and they got a nice hot dog. Let's buy some juice. Only Japan was easy to move to as a foreigner. Yeah, I know there's a lot of shit that's with Japan, but honestly, at the same time though, I don't think they would want you to move there. You know, it's so different from. I mean, if you're American, it's so different from our lives. Both good and bad, you know. That's sick. It's cool everybody puts their bottles away in there. Yeah, good question. Were they always sold in such large bottles? Oh, I have this guy on TikTok who randomly appears on my page every 6 months, and he's got one of these in his work, and like he just randomly spins the thing around until he finds something he wants, and then he gets it. And it's always like some piece of shit food from, you know, like, but it reminds me of it. What? There were so many options. You chose this? What is that? It looks like gum. $0.20? Oh, it literally is gum. Oh, it's a bunch of pieces. 20 cents? I don't even think you get a piece of gum in the US. That's kind of cool. So coulda. What is it? What does that say? Bakmugen? I don't know what that is. 14. Koala's March and Strawberry. What is that? Oh, it's a toy. Wait, that was $3? I think that's the most expensive thing he's gotten by far. And that's including like actual meals. Holding a time for Shiki. Dude, I don't know. What is this? Gachapon. Its quality is surprisingly high. Is a gachapon a like a gimmick toy? Cool little K truck. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool.